Hello! Today I'd like to make a spinning top and spin it to play with it. Here's what I'm preparing for this time. Plastic bottle cap, awl, toothpick, drawing paper, pens, scissors, double-sided tape, and a compass. First, make a small hole in the cap. And let's stick a toothpick in the hole. Next, draw a circle on the paper and draw a pattern on it. Finally, I make a hole in the center of the paper and stick it together. It's completed. It would be fun to make a lot of them and compete to see which one spins the best.